Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jamie here and Marcy with the Wild Foods team. And today
we are talking about our organic coconut vinegar.
Okay guys, we're gonna tell you what it is, its benefits, and how to use it. We'll give you 2 recipes for it.
The best thing about our coconut vinegar is that it's organic, it's a superfood, and it's 0 grams sugar, guys. Okay, so first off, what is coconut vinegar? Coconut vinegar is made from coconut flower sap. The vinegar part of it is vinegar that's been naturally fermented, so it's really good for your gut and has a ton of prebiotics.
My favorite way to use it is as an alternative to the usual ACV or apple cider vinegar drink. A lot of people ask what ACV is. The coconut vinegar actually imparts a lighter flavor. The ACV is really strong. I try to drink ACV in the mornings with lemon and warm water, but I will say I just don't love it. The coconut vinegar is a lot more mild.
And I'll say that when you drink ACV in the morning, at least for me, I've had this experience, it's so strong tasting that it kind of upsets my stomach sometimes, especially first thing in the morning when I have an empty stomach. So the coconut vinegar is a lot lighter and it makes my stomach just feel better, especially on an empty stomach. So let's talk about the benefits of coconut vinegar. Coconut vinegar is low glycemic, it's packed with a ton of amino acids, 9 to be exact, and it also contains a bunch of vitamins and minerals like C2.
So you guys probably know that apple cider vinegar has or contains the mother, at least if you buy that particular one. They do sell it without the mother. Just like ACV, the coconut vinegar also has the mother, which is where all of the probiotics are, and that's what you see in the sediment. It's bacteria and acid.
And that's what's really good for your gut.
Yes.
And finally, our coconut vinegar has a nearly neutral pH balance.
And now we're really excited to show you how to use it. So we're gonna get into the wild kitchen and show you guys our detox drink, as well as how to use it in your salad. You can also use it for marinades, sauces. You can do so many things with it. That's why we love it so much. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go into the salad recipe. It is super simple. We're trying to make it easy on you guys. So instead of making like a super concocted dressing, we're literally gonna just do our wild coconut vinegar and a little bit of avocado oil, and you just mix them up and put them all over the salad. So we're just gonna put a bunch of spinach in a bowl and pour some tomatoes in, as well as a little bit of sunflowers seeds. And now our vinegar. A little bit of avocado oil. And just a pinch of salt. Okay guys, as you saw, super simple. I used a little bit of salt on top after I put the vinegar and oil in. All you really need for a salad dressing is a vinegar and an oil. Not much more than that. I'm gonna give it a taste and tell you guys what I think about it. Oh my God. It's so light and just vinegary, my favorite. I'm obsessed with vinegar.
The second recipe we're going to be showing you guys today is an alternative to the morning ACV detox drink with our coconut vinegar. Just 1 tablespoon. Put in about 8 ounces of water and stir. So good, guys, so refreshing, and it really just kind of gives you that natural energy and little zip that you need in the mornings. So we hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe, share, go wild on that like button.
And special welcome to our new subscriber, Isabella. Thanks so much for joining us for this wild ride. We really appreciate it. And again, thank you guys for watching. We've got a lot more coming. Hope to see y'all soon.
Bye.
Bye.